far enough. You can't see us.
Yeah.
We're gonna go down this hill.
Okay.
And stop down here because that hollow makes a hole. You can't see us from here.
Yeah.
Ain't no way.
Okay. So we got back over to the top of the hill. We didn't even call. There was a rooster crowing at one of those houses, and sure enough, he fired off.
Find the tree out there where you want to back this way.
Okay.
See, that'll come right over that hedge right there.
Yeah. So we got set up on the other side of the hill this time, just kind of right off the logging road there. Gary sat down towards the bottom, and I was up towards the top. We heard him gobble a few times, and Gary started calling down there. So we were hearing him straight out, you know, on the other property. So we were expecting him to either come at the top to me or come down below towards Gary. And we were calling for a little bit, and then we never did hear anything. Next thing I knew, Gary called and he gobbled, and he was right on top of him. So I was expecting him to shoot at any moment. I mean, he was down in there, you could hear him drumming and just moving around. And then I heard a gobble that was back behind us, and so then I turned around, and then it was just kind of like we really didn't hear anything at that point. There was a while that we didn't even call because, you know, it sounded like he was right up on us. And then a little while later, we heard him gobble. He was back over the property line, back where he started. I just kind of laid down for a second and was up against that little berm there. And then we waited for a little while longer, probably another 15 or 20 minutes. Never did hear anything again. I heard him drumming down there. It sounded like, and then yeah, and it sounded like he came back around this way, and so I turned around.
Well, what it was. See, this road just runs straight as I heard down to there.
Mm-hmm.
And I was sitting just on the other side of the road. There was another turkey gobbled back over here one time.
Oh, it was?
He gobbled one time back over here.
Yeah.
And I did turn around on my tree.
Yeah.
Because I hadn't heard this turkey in a long time.
Uh-huh.
And I turned around on that tree out there, but he never would. And I heard some hens up there.
Okay.
But he gobbled one time. You
Yeah.
talking about you heard it go?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And I thought he was behind. But that had to be a different turkey. Ain't no way he crossed it. Because I could see that whole road.
Yeah.
I couldn't see this holler, but I could see it the rest of the way.
Uh-huh.
And he had just gobbled. And then in a minute that turkey gobbled.
Yeah.
So there was another, but he didn't gobble one time, but he had hens with him.
Yeah.
Because I heard the hens up there.
Mm-hmm. I don't know. I think he's got hens or something's making it where he's not coming up to the right spot. We're not clicking the right way. So, but had to give it a try. So I'm trying to head back to the house and figure out the next move.